Ladies and gentlemen, GameStop is only down 3.32% right now at the time of making this video. And the reason that's happening is because it's said that Keith Gill has claimed to have grown his overall GameStop position to 9 million shares. 9 million shares. We're going to be talking about all of that in detail today in today's video, and potentially where GameStop is headed in the next 24 hours as far as its price is concerned. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. Also, if you guys want to get access to free buy and sell alerts inside of a Discord that has an amazing community of like-minded individuals all on the same path to financial freedom, check out the first link down in the description to get access to our Discord. All you simply have to do is join inside of our Discord, and as you can see from the gains channel, it speaks for itself. We did a little over 500% in gains just this last week, and we have tons of members who are also doing amazing numbers in the meantime as well. All you have to do to join that is head over to this Join Us tab on the left side here, and then click one of the links in this channel, which will then take you to the website where you can purchase the buy and sell alerts role, which will then help you actually get access to the Discord server in the first place. Now, let's get to the main part of the news here, though, which is, of course, Roaring Kitty, otherwise known as Keith Gill, adding about 9 million shares to his overall position. Let's read a little bit about this and see how this could affect the price. Keith Gill, the meme stock icon known better as Roaring Kitty, has doubled down on his confidence in GameStop. Gill took to Reddit and shared an updated screenshot of his stake, which now appears to be amount to 9 million shares of the video game retailer. This is a pretty substantial move, guys, considering the fact that we knew that Roaring Kitty was keeping his call options, and we knew that he wasn't planning on selling anytime soon. But the fact that he has now switched out of those call options and moved into shares is a pretty substantial update. What this could mean for the overall stock is that there's much more confidence in GameStop into the coming days and even into the coming future. Now, if we actually look at the price, if we actually look at the chart itself, we can look back at the last 4 to 5 trading days and see that the volume of GameStop has not really decreased whatsoever. You can look at these bars down here and see that most of them are continuing to stay relatively high as far as volume is concerned, which is a good thing, right? We want volume to stay consistently plentiful, especially if we're looking for a breakout to happen with GME sooner rather than later. Now, as far as today's trading session goes, today is, of course, June 14th, and it is a Friday. So we'll see what this actually ends up doing. The market only opened about 2 hours ago, so we're not really getting a clear confirmation of what the overall movement will be today. The last couple of days, we had a little bit of a bounce back, right? We've had a lot better momentum in yesterday's trading session, and the day before, it was okay. We ended up gapping down towards the close of that session, but we're starting to gain quite a bit of traction here on this intraday session as well. Now, again, him owning a lot more shares than he does actual call contracts is only going to be a bullish piece of news here for GME. The reason being is that shares inherently are more expensive to own, and also they move the overall price of the option, or rather the equity, rather the underlying equity, quite a bit more than you would if you say bought a bunch of contracts, right? And the reason for that is because shares are actually the ownership part of the company, right? That's the actual, fractional, basically, ownership that you can purchase of any of the companies that are listed on an NASDAQ or S&P 500. And basically, by Keith doing that, he's just showing his overall confidence in GameStop and showing his overall confidence going into the future of what he thinks this stock will ultimately do. So very exciting to see where that's going to be headed. Make sure to join the Discord with the first link down in the description, and let me know what your thoughts are on this whole GameStop thing. What do you think is going to happen? Where do you think the stock's headed? If you're a GameStop fan, make sure to comment down below, and make sure to like the video and subscribe, because we make update videos on GameStop and a bunch of other meme stocks and just stocks in general on a daily basis. Other than that, see you guys in the next video.